we just interrupted his home. He's disturbed. I'm disturbed.
We've been hiking around Sierra County in New Mexico. We heard about this abandoned stone quarry and wanted to come check it out for ourselves. The stone quarry is located right next to a mountain named Mud Mountain. Supposedly there's a couple of mine shafts that are here as well that we plan on checking out. I can't find too much information online about the mine, but apparently it's called Three Brothers Mine. It was mainly used for copper and silver, but if you look closely, there's raw turquoise laying around as well. As you make your way on the trail, you'll realize there's left behind broken down machinery and mechanical parts. It also looks like at some point this was a place where people would come and just dump their garbage. It was definitely pretty interesting just looking around what was left behind. My wife was just satisfied looking for antiques to add to our clutter. And of course, she had to get some yoga done along the way as well. As we made our way past the stone quarry, you start to head up the actual mountain towards the mines. The higher you go up, the worse the wind gets. That's our truck off in the distance. As we were making our way up the mountain, we found a type of geode that has these crystals inside the rock. By this point, we're pretty high up the mountain. When I looked down, I was standing right on top of a piece of raw turquoise. In most cases, these stones are used to make jewelry. We finally made it to the top where the first mine shaft is located. As we're walking around, there's still raw turquoise all over the place. We came across one section where there was a whole pile of it. Check this out. That's a big old hole. I don't know if you can see that, but there's actually a huge turquoise vein right there going down into the side of the cavern. Let's see what's up in here. Whoa, look at that. This is pretty cool. Looks like it goes way up in here. We might get the flashlight out, the big light, and go up in there and see if we can find anything. She is so intent on finding the turquoise. We finally made our way into the first cavern. So for safety measures, this typically would have gone on for a long time, this tunnel. But I think by law, they have to fill it in with gravel for safety, so people like us don't go venturing in and get hurt. But I'll climb up in here as far as I can. So it looks like this one dead ends right here. Oh, there's a bat. There's a bat. It just hit Courtney.
I'm gonna kill you. Where is it?
It flew out.
We just interrupted his home. He's disturbed. I'm disturbed. And that's when you meet your snake.
I don't think there's any snakes in here.
That's when you meet your neighbor.
I can't believe that bat literally bounced off of you. What do you have? Is that a stick?
To poke things with. I'm gonna kill you.
She thinks there's somebody outside.
The door was open. Are you going in there?
I don't know. Probably not.
Oh.
What?
I can stand.
Mhm.
Ooh. That bat was like, this is my cave.
We decided to go up the mountain a little bit to see if we could see where that light source was coming from. As we made our way up, we ended up finding another door that we had no idea was there. There was only one problem. I had no light and I left my flashlight at the bottom of the hill. Courtney was super impressed with my magic. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's so cool in here in terms of temperature.
Is there a big hole?
It's filled in with gravel again, so I'm assuming it would have been a big hole.
Watch out.
Whoa!
Dylan, don't fall into a hole.
Come in here.
Snakes. That damn bat's gonna get me again.
Look at this.
Oh, Dylan.
Well, there's like a huge breeze in here. There's a breeze in here. Oh, there's a bat right there. There he is.
Let me see.
That's a bat right there.
Can you even see it? That's how blind I am.
Right there, sleeping.
That's the one that was pissed.
That's the one that flew into Courtney. Okay, well, he's probably gonna fly once we're walking in here.
What is that blue piece of thing right there?
Where?
You see it sticking up?
Oh, down in there?
What is that?
Turquoise.
Go get it.
I'm not climbing down in there.
I want that.
Courtney and I were taking photos of the bat. I'll pop some up on the screen right now. But as we were getting photos, it flew and went down in there.
Go get the turquoise.
And I have determined that that is the hole that we were on the other side, and this is the light we were seeing. So, and then this is just a little dead end right here. What do you think about the bat?
That was really cool. He was so cute.
All that right there is turquoise. See the...
Shh.
What?
Go get the turquoise.
That's turquoise right there.
Yeah, but go get that little piece. Is it movable?
Yeah.
Get that one. That one's a nice chunk.
I'm not going down
Do you
there.
think you can get it?
I'm not going down there.
Why?
She's crazy. She thinks I'm going down. This is all slippery. I'm gonna like fall on my butt right here.
But it just goes to the other side.
So go get it.
Be a good husband. Shoo. You're not gonna get that piece?
No. You gonna go get it?
I want it.
Watch out.
No, go get it for me.
What? I'm gonna fall.
Down what?
What if that bat hits me in the face? You see the kind of husband I am? Climbing into a hole to get a rock. Oh, it actually feels really good right here. Do you feel that wind? There's so much
There
wind.
could be a hold on.
Hey, what if I just literally slid into an abyss?
You're not a scaredy cat. Grab my rock.
All that
Is he nice?
for this big piece of turquoise.
He's nice, isn't he?
Look what you're making me do here. I'll throw him down the other way. In case I fall? What did you just say?
I need it. Hand it here. Ooh!
She said, throw me the turquoise in case you fall.
You heard what I said.
We finally made our way out of the second cave. Courtney was happy with a handful of rocks, but there was still one more thing we wanted to investigate. There was something wooden up the hill and we wanted to see what it was. My big camera died on me, so I had to come down here a little down the mountain and grab a new battery. Courtney is still up at the very top, almost, looking at turquoise. So I'm almost back to her. I think I want to get some cool drone shots while we're up here, and then we're going to finish investigating what was behind that big thing of wood. I finally made it to the big pile of wood. It turns out it was a giant hole leading down to one of those caverns. I threw a rock down there just to see how deep it really was. It was probably about 20 or 30 foot. I noticed a little further up the hill there was some wires, so I went up there to see, and it was a fence covering up another hole. This hole was a lot deeper than the other one and a lot more dangerous. By the time we made it here, this was about everything there was to see. Overall, it was very interesting to check out the caverns. It was really cool finding all the rock as well. If you enjoyed this video, we'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, liked, and even shared it with some of your friends. Thanks for watching.